good on drinking water, Dan?
How much is left in the jug?
Half.
Then we should be good, I think. Our trip to the national park is never complete without a visitor center stop. So, we'll check it out. Looks like nice from the outside. Not a very big parking lot, so hopefully not very big inside. Or busy outside. Badlands. Headed off to the Cliff Shelf Trail, right? Cliff Shelf Trail. Almost looks like a camping spot, basically. Short one. Half a mile is what the internet said. Good looking scenery, though. Well, basically at the top of this trail now. Very, very warm. And I just found a fossil. Probably not an old fossil. It's mostly just bones and maybe a little cartilage still, but I want it. I want to pick a tooth off of it or something. Replace my own tooth with it. Like that Bob's Burgers movie.
Yes! I have Dad's tooth! Who am I? Who am I?
And it looks like from here we just head mostly back down towards the parking lot. So interesting. Short, luckily, and we didn't see any snakes, which is also luckily.
You gotta go through all that. I almost want to go back the other way.
Why? Oh goodness, we'll be fine. There's people ahead of us to scare them away for us. We're here back at the beginning of the trail. Alex saw 0 snakes, so that means she doesn't have to be scared anymore, right, Alex?
Back for the next one.
It was nice, but I'd recommend just kind of seeing this area from the drive. What about you? Yeah. I mean, if you want to get out and stretch, it's a great get out and stretch as long as you're not scared shitless of snakes. Alex needs to change. Alex needs to change her clothes. She said she was so scared. Just the shirt because she was sweating.
Yeah.
That's notch to the right, so I think window's probably to the left. I do believe. Headed towards the window trail. There's a notch, a window, and a door around here.
I got the map.
We got a map.
Window to the left.
It does make sense why they call it the window trail. Whoa. Make sure I got an extra good grip on the camera now. Alright, Alex brought me down to the end of the Door Trail. Pretty popular area. Here we are hitting the Saddle Pass Trail. Crooks to the right a little, crooks to the left a little. Let's check it out. Due to hazardous hiking conditions, we've decided to not go to the top of the Saddle Pass. I will say it's a fairly nice view from right here. Alex is off down there somewhere. She's all right. Hard to say how much higher we'd have to hike. I got Alex waiting for me way off down there. I ran up here. Get this really cool view right now. Literally ran. That's my rasping breath. Wow. It looks like it gets really crazy out there. This is neat though. I'll take this. Alright. Time to go find Alex. Make sure she's not worried about me. Camera goes in the pocket for the way back down. Our second to last stop inside the Badlands National Park of South Dakota is the Panorama Point Overlook. We did the fossil trails a minute ago. Kind of weak.
Very weak. Go to the fossil lab instead.
Yeah, definitely recommend the fossil lab inside the Visitors Museum. A lot more interesting stuff. A lot more interesting fossils. A lot more interesting.
They're white buds. Oh, there's a little one.
This here is what I'm designating our final destination within the Badlands National Park. It is known as the Yellow Mounds because they look so incredibly yellow. For a long time, tree roots broke up the shale that made up the bottom of the seafloor that was here and whatever else was here before that. Produced chemicals that made everything look all yellow. A whole lot different looking from right here. Wave to Alex. We out here. Unplanned stop to the Pinnacles Overlook because it's on Alex's list and she wants to cross everything off.
And we couldn't go to the pinnacles at Crater Lake.
That's true. Well, we could have, we just didn't want to.
We tried.
We didn't try walking it. It was only 14 miles.
14. Easy. Babies can do that. Horns, big eyes.
Got a herd of bison out in the field there. Not hard to tell, but they're there. They're big. They're there.
Oh, and lots of prairie dogs.
Lots of prairie dogs, yeah. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Bye.